When most people think of AI systems, they think of these monstrous rooms with all these servers that are just constantly chewing through numbers, these GPUs that are getting so heavily hit with traffic that they're like literally catching fire. That's what most people think when they think of AI. And I'd say for probably 80% of the time, that's right. What we've really seen in the past, maybe 3 and maybe 4 months, is really a push towards the edge, to having AI run on devices, whether it be iPads or iPhones or even laptop computers, and running potentially in low internet connectivity or no internet connectivity areas. That's a much different challenge than having just infinite, nearly infinite computational power at your disposal. There's really one tool that we have found that has kind of stood the test of time in the very brief time that AI is caught in fire like this, and it is really TensorFlow Lite. If you're not familiar with TensorFlow, it is the go-to tool in terms of data science and machine learning when you want to be able to create your own models. There's a lot of different options out there, but pretty much everyone goes towards TensorFlow from Google. It's a feature-rich library. If you want to do image recognition, if you want to do OCR, if you want to do pretty much anything related to AI or machine learning, there's more than likely a TensorFlow module already built for you. TensorFlow Lite, as is implied by the name, is really meant to run on these edge devices that maybe have limited computational power, battery life is a concern, and internet connectivity is not always a given. Very different than our highly connected workplaces where we typically use these AI tools. We have seen on a number of different clients TensorFlow Lite to be enormously successful. It works well with Flutter, it works well with React Native, it works well with, if you want to go, down to the machine level, Swift and Kotlin, it can work well in. It gives you the power to some extent of TensorFlow without all of the baggage, without all of the memory constraints, without all of the battery life issues. There's some things that you can't do it. It doesn't have enough power to be able to do some of these things. But it is definitely an option, very much like small language models, as opposed to their larger cousins, are really becoming in vogue in terms of running AI on devices. Apple is somewhat behind the curve, unfortunately, when it comes to their on-device AI capabilities. Google and everything they've done on Android is really, I would say, probably 2 to 3 years ahead in terms of Apple. So what you can do on it, what kind of augmented reality, what kind of machine learning you can do on it, it depends a lot on the device that the end user is doing, and walking our clients through these kind of conversations, helping them understand what are some of the options available to them, what are some of the things that we can feasibly do, what are some of the things that are just simply not available to us, either based on their customers or some of the technologies that we have available to us. Those are conversations that I literally have with people every single week. And if you'd like to talk more about some use cases that you have for a mobile application, we offer free consultation. It's something that we sign NDAs, all that fun stuff, all that legal stuff, that other people have to worry about. I get the fun part. I get to talk with people about what it is that they want to do with AI and what are some of the potentials that they could do on a physical edge device with nearly no internet connectivity.